Doesn't look like they skipped a beat. For some reason, I guess my video turned off. You've got a nice little shower, place to sit down. Tiled very nice. And here you will find the second bedroom. And over here you've got the air handler. You've got your water heater. They probably could have installed a new one. It's about $500 to put a new one in there. It doesn't look like it's dead. It looks like it's probably functioning, but it's definitely kind of creeping up there in age. You've got a safe. You've got another closet in here as well too. Overall, very nice place. They did a very super clean job with it. I like it. It's nice and quiet back here. Again, I don't know where that video turned off on a few seconds ago, so I'm just going to send this to you in 2 clips. So 2 bedrooms on the left-hand side. Cute place. Very nice job on this remodel. All right, hope you enjoy this tour. Let me know if you got any questions, bud. Thanks.